welcome back to another edition of CardCollectorsWorld.com's Bowman box break. We have a second box tonight of retail 2010 Bowman baseball. Our first box produced a Strasburg Chrome rookie. A couple days ago I bought 2 packs of hobby baseball Bowman from the store and pulled a Strasburg regular rookie. Totally stoked so far. Here is the second break from CardCollectorsWorld.com. Trading Card Forums. Pack 1, Michael Dunn rookie. There's a Luis Exposito rookie. And a Corey Hahn USA rookie. Ike Davis, Tops 100. A Gustavo Nunez. Byron Wiley. And Alex Gordon gold insert. Pack 2. John Rayner. And Andrew Kashner. Edinson Rincon. Sean Figgins insert. Sebastian Vale. John Segura. And a gold Lance Berkman insert. Pack 3. This pack opened like butter. Maybe get something good in this one. Here is a Brian Pellegrini. Sweet. Starlin Castro. Johnny Cueto insert. Collect him. Brett Jackson. Tops 100. Carson Blair. Caleb Joseph. And a Dustin Pedroia gold insert. Let's see. This will be pack 4. Griffey base. Collect Griffey, love that. That one goes for the set. Chad Jenkins. Here's a Brian Baisley purple refractor, $9.99. AJ Burnett insert. Kyle Jensen. Matt Tucker. And a Giovanni Gallardo gold. Head to CardCollectorsWorld.com. We have all kinds of contests for members. Great place to trade the cards that you don't want for cards you do want. There's bound to be somebody out there that has the stuff for the stuff you don't want. Let's see. Jenry Magia, pack 5 of 8. Brent Blugotch. A Wilmer Vaught. Nick Pepitone, USA. Jordan Brown. Caleb Brewer. Dustin Ackley. And a gold Justin Masterson. 3 more packs left. Pack 6. Josh Thole. James Bresford. Hack Ju Lee. Johnny Damon insert. Derek Jeter insert. Slade Heathcott. Anthony Rizzo rookie. And Jules Chaikin gold. Pack 7 of 8. Making good time. Randall Delgado. Tyler Henley. Here's a blue Torrey Hunter. Collect him of 520. Cool. A Max Stassi A's insert. Jeff Decker. Shang An Kuo. And a gold Chipper Jones insert. Let's see, last pack of the night of the 2-box retail break. We have a Nick Santamoro, Pedro Siriaco, Matt Garza, a Rick Porcello, J.J. Hoover, Eric Neeson, and to end it with a Tim Hudson gold insert. Alright, that's going to do it tonight. Thanks for stopping by, watching the break. Come to cardcollectorsworld.com's forums, trade some cards, and I hope to see you on the site. Good night.